What is up, everybody? How's it going? Today we're going to be doing a little unbagging on this item. This is going to be a mail call video, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. This is going to be a unbagging video as well as a mail call. So I got some mail from Brandon Buckler, which is Bssmallengines or Bssmallengines on YouTube. I believe this is also, I'm going to put in the video title as well, is going to be a JDTCo shout out as well. So Brandon from Bssmallengines did a giveaway recently. It was a couple weeks ago. Today is September 12th. I think it was, like a week and a half ago. It might have been September 1st. I don't remember. But he did a recent giveaway, and I ended up winning the giveaway, which I was in the live stream. I'll try to find the live stream so you guys, and I'll link it up here in a card so you guys can go check out the live stream. It was a really short live stream. I think like 30 minutes or 15 minutes, something like that, and then he started the giveaway. But the giveaway was for some JDTCo pocket pry bars, and I didn't expect to win. I don't usually do giveaways. I very rarely enter them, but it was kind of neat that I won. Oh, there on this side. Actually, it costs him $4 to send this, which is so stupid. I mean, it doesn't even, I think it weighs maybe 4 ounces. Looks like Brandon's, oh, he sent a sticker too. I do not have a Bssmallengines sticker. So that's awesome. I think I'm going to put that somewhere on the toolbox. Probably stick it down there. Or I might stick it on the cart too, who knows. Awesome. That's pretty cool that he sent me a sticker. That was pretty nice of him. Thank you, Brandon, for the sticker. So 1 green, 1 orange, and 1 red. And these are pocket pry bars from JDTCo. Quality tools since 1985. These are nice little pry bars. These are going to come in really handy. I'm actually a fan of the orange and the green. The orange, this reminds me of like peaches and cream, or oh, what's the sherbet ice cream. Kind of hard to see. It's a little bit darker. Yeah, there you go. Not just peaches and cream. What the heck is it called? I can't remember what I'm thinking of. Sherbet, peaches and cream. There's one other reference I'm thinking of, but I'm sure you guys might understand where I'm getting with it. I like the orange. The orange is pretty nice. The green, I love the green. And the red is nice too. It's kind of like a cherry red. So I want to give a shout out both to Bssmallengines, Brandon Buckler, and I want to give a shout out to both the son and the father at JDTCo. I appreciate you guys at JDTCo sending these out to Brandon, and Brandon, doing a giveaway, and me being able to have the opportunity to receive a couple of these. I'm definitely going to put them to use and carry at least one of them with me constantly for work. As soon as I get back to actually working, since the truck accident. Really haven't been working, which is no big deal. That's what employees are for. But these are really, really nice. They look very well made. Let me go grab my phone real quick. And JDTCo stands for Jersey Discount Tool Company. That's what it stands for. They have an Instagram. They have I believe a Facebook. I know they have a YouTube. They also have their own website. You know, but they have a thing on YouTube called JDTCo. They do videos on tool deals that they're doing. There's lots of shout outs from lots of people on them as well. Powerstroke Jude on YouTube has done quite a few videos on their tools, and they even made a deal specifically in Jude's name. But they have a great selection of tools. They have lots of vessel stuff, which is great. Vim. They do Milwaukee, DeWalt. Here's the... they have a kit for Powerstroke Jude. It's this and I think one other pair of pliers or something. They do welding stuff. You know, Milwaukee kits, tools, gear wrench. You name it, they probably have it. Lyle. Great company. Want to give a shout out to both Brandon and the son and father at New Jersey Discount Co. or Discount Tool Company. Here it is, the Powerstroke Jude deal. So it's a pocket of this pocket pry bar right here and the stripper and crimpers. But I do appreciate you guys' time. I'm not going to take up any more of your guys' time. You know, it's been about 8 minutes. There's no need to make this video any longer. I do appreciate all of you guys hanging out with me today. Hopefully the address wasn't shown at all. If it is, I will probably just re-record this video and just tape over it. Thank you so much, Brandon, for the stickers and the pry bars, mini pry bars, pocket pry bars. And thank you to Jersey Discount Tool Co., him and his son, for sending them to Brandon, and Brandon doing a giveaway and me happening to win the giveaway. It's very much appreciated. Thank you guys all so much for your time. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Just a quick video. Kind of unboxing, unbagging, shout out, and mail call all wrapped into one. One last thing, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I appreciate you guys stopping by. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. You guys stay safe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!